Hi everyone! So this is my first cleaning motivation video. I hope you enjoy the music and it makes you get up and feel like moving.
Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one to say.
So I got some curtains from JCPenney's a couple of days ago, so hopefully in my next video I'll have those curtains up and I'll show a final pic of what everything looks like.
Be the one to say, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Strangers, scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
So my sister got me this really cute sign, and I was thinking about putting it either above the television in my bedroom, so I'll see it first thing in the morning. Here's a picture of the sign. So here's above my TV, or I was thinking about putting it above the coffee bar. So let me know in the comments below what you think. I'll take votes, either above the TV or above the coffee bar.
'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste
got a really nice mirror for my room on top of this dresser here. So hopefully in the next video or in a future video, you'll see that as well.
We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Yeah, yeah. Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our love.
Does anyone love vacuuming as much as I do? I'm not sure if it's because that's the last thing I do and then that means I'm finished, or just because it's relaxing for me. So, but this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
And I think we both know it. Why can't we face